Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about iSolved, which is very nice payroll and HR management software. We're gonna talk about what it is. We're going to compare it with some competitors, for example Paycor, and also we'll compare the pricing plans. So let's go. What is it? iSolved software provides a comprehensive human capital management solution. The software can automate and organize your payroll management processes. The software takes care of time, attendance management, benefits management, compensation management, tax management, and payroll tax filing process, along with other human resource management tasks. It assists in W2 preparation as well. The tool comes featured with wage garnishment, direct deposit, self-service portal, multi-state, check printing, etc. You do not require going any expertise to use and benefit from this user-friendly cloud-based payroll software. The tool provides single data entry point and ensures data security. They are located in Charlotte. It's mainly made for small and medium businesses. Also, when we check, they are serving enterprises as well, but I don't feel like they can suit average individual or freelancer. You can run it in your web browser, and they are providing online help support, at least from the basic bundle. I really like the UI, but as you can see, we can only ask for a demo. So with this demo, you will have to give them your first name, last name, work email, phone, name of your company, job title in that company, state, and also a zip code. That being said, I think that they are more oriented towards US market, so they are not so big on European one. And when we want to check the pricings for each and every bundle, we will be a bit disappointed because iSolved is just custom based. You have to ask them according to the demo, or also when you already are in there, the sign in. When you're already in there, you can basically sign into your existing demo, or if you wish to upgrade, it's okay as well, obviously, but you have to ask them for evaluation of your needs. By that, they are not exactly created any type of bundles for you to just fill in or ask for. This way, you can be sure you will always get exactly what you are paying for. So not some necessary stuff, but also there's a problem, like when you need to do a research, you have to ask for a demo, and that prolongs or making that research a bit longer that it usually is when there are just bundles and, for example, a free trial, 7 or 14-day trial. You can make it easier and just decide in a few moments. For example, Paycor is doing it like that, but we already covered it in previous videos. So what they are providing at their platform: talent acquisition, helping you hire as many people with really specific skill set. HR and payroll, well, once you hire them, you have to pay them. And iSolved is a really nice way how you can proceed to this need. with payrolls, human resources, and benefits enrollment and administration. Then workforce management with time and labor management, scheduling, workforce scheduling, expense management, and then talent management. Share and perform, learn and grow, giving and volunteering. For HR services, also they are providing the complete package for HR needs. With the resources and services and support, it comes like self-study, where you have to really go dig and find out yourself what exactly you expect from your HR and payroll software. They can do everything okay-ish. I'm not saying they are the best. I would say Paycor, maybe Kronos are, maybe Paycom. They are the best on the market so far, so you should most definitely check them out. And yeah, everything is according to the demo. If you ask for it, they'll get in touch with you and you'll decide if this one is for you or you want to move to something else. It's most definitely worth, well, not worth, worth. It's most definitely worth checking it out. You can even like join their team, view a demo. But yeah, it takes time. It takes time for you to actually get in touch with them. But then also you can check the LinkedIn, Facebook, also their Instagram. And yeah, like I'm not logged in this computer. But guys, I already asked for a demo in advance, so we'll be going through some basic stuff with iSolved, so you can see how it looks from inside. So stay tuned. If you have any types of questions, how to fill in all the forms for demos, it's going to be in a different video, so you can check it all out. But it's completely easy, completely normal, like you are logging into like Instagram or Facebook, same stuff. But plus you are giving them your company name and maybe the phone number. But everything else is completely easy. So guys, if you have any questions, please leave them underneath this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day. Goodbye.